how's it going? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do something a little bit different today. This is just a clean with me. I am actually a professional cleaner and own my own cleaning business, but because of the virus, I haven't had a lot of work. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning in my house and get some entertainment out of it, and maybe this will encourage you guys to clean alongside me as well. So normally I would clean my sheets that I had on my bed the same day and put them back on, but those blue sheets that I took off are actually my winter sheets. They're softer and warmer, and since it's the end of March, I thought may as well put on my summer sheets. I do recommend when you guys are cleaning to have music on or video in the background or something so it's not so quiet. I really hate cleaning when it's quiet. When I do my professional cleaning for other clients' house, I always have earphones in and listen to a podcast or music. It just helps me keep me motivated, and I think it's really good. You can see on my nightstand there I have a YouTube video on. When I clean professionally in the Burlington Oakville area, lots of the cleaners put the pillowcases facing out. I don't like that. I always put mine facing in. And here you can just see I'm just loading up the wash machine. And here I have my head in the road. I noticed it was in the road, so I kind of moved. I'm just dusting. This is Ross's and I's travel shelf. We have a whole bunch of different trinkets before we got together, and when we've been together we've got some as well. So I really like this shelf, and yeah. This is my night table. I have not cleaned it off in so long. You can tell it's disgusting. So I'm taking everything off, putting some things away, and then I'll wipe it off and then put all the things that I need back. You can see I use Method for the majority of my cleaning products. I really like the way it smells, and it's a more natural cleaner, so that's what I choose to use. This is Ross's ends table. He doesn't have as many things on his table. His table is also a little bit bigger than mine. And you can see him putting his gum away. I think he got that in Mexico. Ensuite. So I like to start with the mirror and the sink, and then I do the shower and then the toilet. I don't know, that's just how I was taught when I first started cleaning, so that's just the way I do it. So I have 3 different cleaning products that I like to use in the bathroom. The first product was a blue one. You could see it was a glass cleaner. I use that for the mirror, or if a shower has glass walls, I'll use it there as well. And then the pink stuff, I use that a lot for dusting and just for general cleaning. It's an all-purpose cleaner. And then I also have a green cleaner, which is just a bathroom cleaner. So I usually use that in the shower. Wipe of the front of the sink. I find it doesn't get very dirty, so just a quick wipe. So I actually don't have a tripod for my camera, so trying to get different views is a little bit difficult. So sorry, the views of the shower are not very good. In the future, I would like to get a tripod for my camera. Make a quick note. You can see I'm just using a microfiber cloth and some cleaning products. I don't let my shower get too dirty, so all I need is a microfiber cloth. But if you do have some soap scum in the bottom of your shower or on the walls, I find a magic eraser works so well for getting that off, and you don't have to scrub as much, and then you can just let the water go and it just goes down the drain. Is just the toilet. I find that it gets really dusty on toilets for some reason. I ran out of toilet bowl cleaner and just haven't replaced it, but I sprayed just some of my multi-purpose cleaner in the toilet, and then just that works good enough for now. Eco tap. Eco tick. Eco tap. Eco tick. Eco tap. This Eco is a cuckoo in my car. They're just my blinds in my bathroom. So I've actually not dusted these since I moved in September. Figured since I'm cleaning anyways, might as well give them a quick dust. And last but not least, in the bathroom, I'm just vacuuming really quickly here, and vacuuming my bath mat, and then giving a little bit of a mop as well. So I thought since I did the blinds in my bathroom, I may as well do the blinds in my bedroom as well. So just giving those a quick dust. So I've just taken everything off the bed and just vacuuming now. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you would like more cleaning videos like this, I would really appreciate if you like and subscribe so I know. So I will see you guys in my next video. So this is the final just pan through of my bedroom and my ensuite. I probably will do a house tour in the future, but here's a little sneak peek.